Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Analytics for AI-driven insights automation. Easy tutorial step-by-step. To authenticate with Google Analytics for AI-driven insights automation, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Google Cloud Platform. Sign in with your Google account. Create a new project by clicking on the Select a Project drop-down. In the pop-up, select New Project. Name your project appropriately and click Create. Once your project is created, navigate to the API library in the sidebar. Search for Google Analytics Reporting API. Click on the API and then hit the Enable button. Next, go to the Credentials section in the sidebar. Click on Create Credentials and select Service Account. Fill in the service account details and click Create. Select Viewer or any other role that fits your needs. Click Continue and then Done. Now, locate your newly created service account in the list. Click on the service account, then click on Add Key and select JSON. This will download a JSON file to your computer. Keep this file safe, as it contains your private key. Next, open Google Analytics and go to the Admin section. Select the appropriate account and property for your project. Under the User Management settings, click the plus icon to add users. Enter your service account email found in the downloaded JSON file. Assign the necessary permissions, then click Add. Now, open your development environment. Install the Google Analytics API Client library for your programming language. Use pip for Python. Pip install upgrade Google API Python client. With your library installed, you can begin writing your authentication code. Load the JSON file in your code using the appropriate libraries. Generate the credentials using the service account key. Instantiate the Analytics Reporting API service. You are now ready to query Google Analytics for insights. Use the API to automate the retrieval of data as per your needs. Make sure to test your connections to ensure everything works as expected. Now you can leverage AI to analyze and gain insights from your Google Analytics data automatically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.